Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your laptop password in Windows 11. Changing your password regularly is a good habit to keep your device secure, so let's get started. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen and open the Settings app. You can also press Windows I on your keyboard to open it directly. Once you're in the Settings app, go to the Accounts section on the left-hand side. Then click on Sign In options in the right-hand panel. Under Sign In options, look for the Password section. You'll see an option to change your password. Click on it. A new window will pop up, asking you to verify your current password. Enter your current password and click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it by typing it again, and optionally, you can add a password hint to help you remember it. When you're done, click Next. Once you see the confirmation that your password has been changed, click Finish. Your new password is now active, and you'll use it the next time you log into your laptop. If you're using a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition to sign in, this method will update the password associated with your account, but your other sign-in methods will still work as usual. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Tech Steps, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.